Hey, good people. I'm preparing for a client, but I had to take a moment and bring something to your attention. Yes, I'm talking to you. There's an event coming up, and it is important that you register and attend, especially if you're planning on buying a home within the next 6 months. It's called the Pre-Home Buyers Session. Look, we have just got to lay all of our cards out on the table and air out what it really is that's keeping you from getting into a home. Yes, I said what it really is. Time has run out for perfect grammar. You need the real. Has buying a home been one of your goals? How's this going for you? Are you actively working towards it? Are you stuck? Well, register and get unstuck. Don't be at the mercy of your landlords. Now, getting back to the real. Is it your credit that's holding you back? Is it your score that keeps telling you, no, get those hopes and dreams out of here? If this is you, come get this credit repair knowledge so you can start hearing yes. Now, it's not going to be some boring seminar. Consider it infotainment, informative with a twist. Hey, so I have to get back to work, and you need to go register. I will see you at the pre-home buyer session, where we get you ready to buy a house.